latest headlines and most accurate forecast from 41 Action News.
I'm Cynthia Newsom with 41 Action News. Here are your headlines. President Trump is threatening the coronavirus relief deal with a demand for $2,000 stimulus checks. He wants the individual payments to go from $600 to $2,000. Democrats agree and said they are ready to pass an increase on Thursday. On Monday night, Congress approved a $900 billion coronavirus aid package. The virus relief bill includes $600 payments to most Americans, as well as additional payments to the millions of people who could not work during the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, just as a larger round of benefits is due to expire on Saturday. Travel is expected to increase this week because of the holidays, but numbers are still down from last year. AAA expects 34 million fewer people to travel over Christmas and New Year's. That's a decrease of nearly 30%. Most people are planning to take road trips instead of flying. If you are staying at home for the holiday, we have the perfect thing to watch for your family. You can hear wonderful music from our local high schools in our annual Sounds of the Holiday special this Christmas. Tune in Christmas Day at 6 a.m. or 4 p.m. right here on 41 Action News. Your weather is next.
I'm meteorologist Lindsay Anderson, and it is a cold day today, much colder than earlier in the week. So prepare for a big drop in those temperatures heading into the afternoon. Mostly cloudy skies expected, and with some strong winds, it is going to feel like the 20s out there today. Dress warm. 27 will be the high on Christmas Eve, and Christmas morning we're down to 12 degrees, single-digit wind chills. You can get the latest news and weather anytime at kshb.com.